introducing our guests as well on the broadcast. Quickly going across to Priyanka Tribhiwal. Savio is also with us, and Kapil Sankla and Swapnil Kothari continues to be with us. Swapnil, there is something that crushes you inside looking at those pictures, because there is the hard work of a woman who has made it on her own. Just like Sushant, Kangana also came from a small town, made it big in the Bollywood film industry, and now she's calling it Bollywood for a reason.
Well, absolutely. Amita, it's very, very sad that this is happening here. And, the High Court order is being flouted, violated left, right and center. The 15th July order is clearly, ensuring that you cannot do any demolition at all whatsoever. And, the fact that this demolition is taking place is very, very sad. And it should not have taken place. And the very fact that the lawyer has to rush to the court again at 12:30 to ensure that this doesn't take place is very inappropriate indeed, in my opinion. And what is more imperative is that the police officer who was being just interviewed by the Republic TV is not answering any question. He's just saying that I'm doing my duty, and this is not proper, because ultimately he has to do the duty of the law and not of the political masters. So this is something which should not have been done. Now the only way out in this situation is that whatever is left, the demolition should be stopped right away. And I hope that this particular
I think that is what they're trying to do, because in 8 minutes from now the matter will be taken up in the Bombay High Court, and they're trying to do maximum damage that can be done to the building. And that is exactly what is being done. Savio, you raise the voice against the high and mighty, and this is how you will be punished. Is that the message that the Shiv Sena-led dominant BMC is trying to do here?
Obviously, that's the message. You see, Uddhav Thackeray, Aditya Thackeray, and the entire Maha Vikas Aghadi are nothing but a bunch of cowards who cannot take the growth and the points of view of a woman that is contrary to their points of view. What was Kangana really talking about? She was talking about the drug nexus that exists in Bollywood. She was talking about justice for Sushant Singh Rajput. Are those reasons to demolish her house? This is nothing but pure victimization of Kangana Ranaut. Now the BMC must ask Uddhav Thackeray and Aditya Thackeray on the Matoshri, how much of it has got clearance? Because I know of a very large infrastructure project that was shifted and cost the Maharashtra government a lot of crores of rupees.
Oh, the BMC officials are not saying anything, Savio. Mr. Sankla, we tried to question them. They're scurrying away the moment they spot Republic cameras and our mics there and our reporters there. We're trying to get in a word from the police, from the BMC officials. Because look how quick they came out to act. I mean, we have never seen such actions that happens on part of the BMC. Every year we see annually those rains, those broken roads, those potholes everywhere across the city, buildings collapsing, and see the swiftness and the effectiveness that is being shown by the BMC here.
I think you should be really proud of how fast and quick BMC is acting. I mean, what we realize is you have to speak against the state government and then you will be punished like that. BMC suddenly wakes up. I mean, this is a new law. The government who's supposed to protect its own citizens has decided you speak against them and this is how you will be punished. And it's really interesting that the matter being in the High Court, they have shown this scurrying hurry to go ahead and to do maximum damage just because Ms. Kangana Ranaut decides to speak against the organized crime and mafia and the drug mafia in Bollywood. The state government suddenly wakes up and starts acting. I mean, this is surprising. This is shocking at any level whatsoever.
Well, Priyanka, agony just died 1,000 deaths here, because now to get your work done in Mumbai, does it mean that you speak against the government and there you will have the BMC officials right at your doorstep?
See, this is absolutely, first of all, contempt of the High Court order which is there. And secondly, we have to understand that under the burden of power and money, truth will not perish. So you have to understand that why the government is doing this. This is absolute vendetta. And that also by BMC, and on behest of whom? The Aghadi government. Now, what is the pain which the Aghadi government is having? Now, the acquisitions which people were putting on the government, they are turning to be true. Because